We here see an overview over all the 4 channels of the device, basically 1 channel per row. And here on the left side we have a status field now displaying that all the channels are switched off. Here we see the measurement and the set value. So in white we have the measurement values frequently updated for all channels, basically the voltage, the current, and below in orange these are the set values. We can go into detail of 1 channel, seeing some more information. So an extended status field, which is showing more complete status information. We have here again voltage and current set and measurement values. And here some more setup parameters like ramp speeds, voltage and current limits. So if I now enter the setup for the channel, I can basically change a number of parameters. So right now this channel is configured to provide a positive output voltage in an output mode up to 6 kilovolt and 2 milliampere. I can now select, for example, the polarity and simply change the polarity from positive to negative, just using the rotary button and pressing apply. And now we see here also on this status LED the channel switched from positive to negative polarity. Same way I can, for example, change the output mode. So there are 3 output modes here for the universal 6 kilovolt device. Basically the maximum voltage is 6 kilovolt, where the device can provide 2 milliamps, but I can reduce this to 4 kilovolt, where each channel is able to provide 3 milliamps, or to 2 kilovolt with 4 milliamps, and just select the new output mode. Same way I can, for example, change the voltage ramp speed here. So using the rotary button again to increase it or decrease it. Right now I'm changing single volts here of the voltage ramp speed. The range is quite big where we can apply a voltage ramp. So I can also increase the steps, basically going to the maximum ramp speed, for example 1200 volts per second, but I can also decrease it to very low values. The minimum would be 10 millivolts per second or something in between. Okay, pressing apply. So now we have something like 20 volts per second configured. So going back, here again I can now just select some voltage. So there are again several ways to modify this. One way would be just entering a number. For example, 1345 volt. Press apply, and now this is set up to this voltage. But I can also change the voltage using the rotary button. Up and down again, I can change the digit where I'm modifying the voltage, so to very big values or also small values like millivolts. Okay. So now having set up the voltage, we can use this buttons here to switch on the channel. And we see now it's ramping up. Currently quite slow because we just set up the voltage ramp speed to 20 volts per second. I can increase this a little bit. Going to the maximum here, then we don't have to wait for a long time. So basically now already we approached the voltage we have set up.